Welcome to Foie Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we have the spicy chicken and foie paella. The ingredients for the spicy chicken and foie paella are paella rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, chicken, foie, and chicken stock. And of course, we're gonna add the rest of the paella ingredients such as paprika, paella mix, and saffron. So, let's start cooking the spicy chicken and foie paella. If you like this and other videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. iwantpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So, don't miss out and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Let's start by cooking the foie. It's turned over. Let's take out our foie. We're gonna add now a bit of this special oil that I prepared before, which is just chopped chilies in oil, and I left it at the fridge for like 5 hours. Okay, just macerating a bit, and that is how we're gonna get our spices to the chicken. Let's add our chicken then. 300 grams of chicken that I'll prepare for today. Okay, let's mix that up a bit. Let's add the onion and the garlic. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Half a teaspoon of paprika, half an envelope of paella mix, and a little pack of saffron threads, available at a store at iwantpaella.eu. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Mix this up a bit. There we go, much better. We're gonna add 300 grams of paella rice because we're making 3 portions. Alright. Let's mix that rice in. 900 milliliters of chicken stock. Slowly, at the same time, we're increasing our paella burner power up to 100%. Okay. Something like that. Since we have a nice boil, I'm gonna reduce our paella burner power down to 50%. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Up here. That rice is around 60%, so we're gonna leave it a bit longer. I'm gonna add a bit more of salt. Remember that tasting your rice is a great opportunity to check on your salt content. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Alright, looking good. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Down here, for instance. Okay, the rice is around 70-75%. We're gonna reduce our paella burner power down to 30% and we're gonna add our foie. Let's give it a bit of a shake to mix all that up. Let's add a tad more of our chicken stock. Okay. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Up here, for instance. Okay guys, that rice is around 80% at the moment, so I'm gonna leave it for 2 minutes while it finishes cooking. Okay guys, that paella is about done. I'm gonna turn off the paella burner. I'm gonna give it the last shake and then I'm gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Here we have our spicy chicken and foie paella. I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this spicy chicken and foie paella. That looks fantastic. Okay guys, here you go. A proper spicy chicken and foie paella. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave you now. This is Jay signing off. Thank you very much. I hope to see you very, very soon.